Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to save battery life or how to reduce battery drain. Let's get started. Solution 1. Go to settings. In settings page, tap on accessibility. Tap on display and text size. Scroll to the bottom. Here, toggle off next to auto brightness option. Solution 2. Open settings. In settings page, tap general. Scroll down. Tap background app refresh. At the top, tap background app refresh. Here, select the off option. Solution 3. Go to settings. In settings page, tap on notifications. If you want to turn off the notifications of the specific app, go to that app. Toggle off next to allow notifications option. Return to the previous menu and turn off that app. Solution 4. Swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center. Press and hold the brightness control. Make sure screen brightness is low. Solution 5. Go to Settings app. In Settings page, tap Battery. Scroll down. Here, toggle on next to Low Power Mode option. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.